Welcome back to our kitchen. Welcome back to our channel. Pull yourself up a chair, sit down, and let's cook some cheesy loaded mashed potato casserole. You're going to need lots of ingredients for this and obviously lots of cheese. You need 8 russet potatoes, washed and peeled. We're going to peel them. They're washed. You need onions and fresh garlic. We've got that. We need Philadelphia cream cheese. We need orange cheese, white cheese, Boursin cheese. This is what I was told makes it. Heavy whipping cream, butter, and bacon. So we're gonna get to peeling our potatoes, cutting them up. We're gonna cook them first. While they're cooking, we're gonna bake our bacon, cook our bacon, whatever we're doing with our bacon. We're just gonna make it happen.
We're making bacon.
We're just making bacon. Got some teamwork here. He's peeling the potatoes. I'm gonna use this Guidel grater because it is my favorite thing in the entire kitchen, and I'm going to grate this cheese. I mean, except for when you're in the kitchen, then you're the greatest thing in the kitchen.
We're kind of in the kitchen right now.
I really love this.
Half the kitchen, dining room.
Within seconds, this sucker grates this cheese perfect. You always want to use a block cheese, not the bag cheese, because the bag cheese has waxes and paraffins, and this melts down creamy and smooth. So that 8 ounces made a little more than 2 cups, but we're sticking with it because this is only 7 ounces, so it's going to make a little less. This is a smoked cheddar cheese. We're going to grate it up. All the cheese is shredded. We got it in the refrigerator for now. Frying up the bacon and cutting the potatoes to boil them. You're gonna boil them just like you would mashed potatoes, and then we're gonna mash them and then add all the ingredients together. While the bacon's still cooking, we're gonna get these on. We're gonna put them in, add a little bit of kosher salt. We're gonna bring them to a boil, cook them for about 5 minutes, pull them off, drain them, mash them. Bacon's done. I poured the majority of the grease out, but I'm leaving a little bit in there because we're gonna saute our onions and garlic. We're going to just saute these up a little bit, not too much. Pull them off the heat. All right, so that's pulled off. We're waiting for these to put to boil. Potatoes are drained. Now we just want to smush them up some. Gonna add in 8 ounces of cream cheese. Your whole thing of Boursin garlic herb cheese. 6 tablespoons of butter, your heavy whipping cream, you're going to stir that around till it's light and fluffy. Add in the sauteed onions and garlic, and add some pepper, add some salt. Even though we got garlic in there, we're going to add a little bit of garlic powder. And even though we have onion, we're going to add a little bit of onion powder as well.
Unfortunately, it does. But talk to me, because I would love to come.
Last thing you're going to do is you're going to add half your yellow cheese, half your white cheese. You're going to put it in a greased baking dish.
I'm not saying that the Dallas Cowboys are barbecue sales, but it's getting real hard to keep convincing people that football's not selling food.
They did throw that last.
Yep. We're going to transfer it right into this baking dish. Smooth that all in here. Going to put the remaining cheese on top, and then we're going to put it in the oven at 375 for 20 minutes until the cheese is bubbly and golden. All right, so now it's going to go in the oven. All right, you pull this out. We're going to add a little sour cream and bacon bits.
That doesn't really run worth a damn.
And there you have it.
The thing that upsets me is you can't base